Well, welcome back to Channel On. I'm back on another Black & Decker coffee maker. Basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and clean it. There's a lot of great videos out there showing you how to disassemble it and so forth. I'm not going to bore with that. Took it all apart, and what we're going to do is we're going to clean out the element itself. So once you pull the element out, make sure you take some pictures, make sure that you understand how this all goes back together, make sure it's unplugged, and when you pull that element out of there, you're going to go and you're going to see that the holes, one side is going to be plugged. Take your drill or a screwdriver and go in there and clean that up. You may find yourself needing a drill like I have done. Drill a hole in there, try to clean it up, take a screwdriver, work your way around there, put a little water in there. I took a wire and I kind of made the end of it like a little brush, so to speak. When I say a brush, some of the wire, the strands and so, I kind of left them out there. And I kind of put it back and forth inside there just to help clean it out. And adding more water, dumping it out, blowing some air through it, and finally it cleaned it all up, and it works fine after that. Put it all back together, and I've been running this probably 8 or 9 times, if not more. Now on the screen it's going to say clean. And it says in the directions, to clean it, you have to run it through a cycle, and at least 3 times. It takes anywhere from 30 to 90 minutes. I've done that, and the clean sign is still there. It's still coming up on the display to clean the coffee maker. I contacted Black & Decker. I left a message, called them twice, left 2 messages, and I have not heard back from them. I didn't know if there was a combination of buttons to push. I've tried what other people have suggested, but it has not worked. Other than that, the coffee maker is working fine. You're going to need a T10 screwdriver to do this, a Phillips screwdriver, and maybe something just to kind of help dig that around. And that's all you have to do. Put it all back together, plug it in, and you're off and running. So, well, thanks an awful lot for watching. I hope this helps you with your coffee maker. Primarily, that's going to be the problem with these. So just take your time, be a little patient, and you'll get it all cleaned out. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.